I'm rich, diamonds on my body rich, smelling like Versace rich.
Hey angels, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to get on here and do a quick video. So first off, I wanted to say that I just did a makeup tutorial. That's the reason why I have this on. I wanted to get on here and do a quick review of a product that I've been wanting to try for a while now. So I got my hands on it, and it is the makeup eraser. And you guys know that I love an easy makeup remover that doesn't irritate my skin, and it's all natural. So this here, it comes with 2 makeup eraser cloths, and then it comes with a hair, or what are they called? A hairband? Headband. So it comes with 1 headband and then 2 original makeup eraser cloths. So I wanted to try this with you guys. Who's excited? Have you ever seen these before? I currently use the face halo. Yeah, face halo. But I like the fact that it's in a bigger cloth, so it'll get more of your face and stuff like that. But okay, let's try it out. So it says #1 sustainable makeup remover in the world. It says erases waterproof mascara, eyeliner, foundation, lipstick, and more, free of wipes, alcohol, oil, astringents, parabens, dyes, fragrances, and sulfates. # no more wipes. Okay, so it comes, like I said, with a headband. It comes with 2 of the original makeup cloths, fiber side to erase makeup in gentle circular motions. And then to exfoliate, it says flip to long fiber side, side with tag to exfoliate. Continue in gentle circular motions. And it says vegetarian and vegan free, environmentally friendly, cruelty free, EU approved, hypoallergenic, dermatologist approved. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up and remove this makeup. Okay, so it's really hard to open, so you just, oh my gosh, that was so hard. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I just cut myself. So be careful when you're opening this, because this paper is, or this cardboard is sharp. Okay. Okay. So that's cute. So it just comes in these little bitty eraser looking things. So here is the, it's so soft. Here is the headband. It has the tag right here that says the original makeup eraser. Oh my gosh, it's so soft, you guys. And then you have 2 of the erasers, 1 in black, I'm assuming, and the other in pink. And we're gonna see about erasing this mascara, because it is the magnetic and it's a little bit harder to get off than regular mascara. It's similar to waterproof. So let's go ahead and try this out. And I'll let you know what I think compared to the My Halo. So it just gives you a little bit of instructions. How to use, wash, wet, erase, exfoliate. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this hair back. So here it is right here. It's right here. And then this is the side with the tag. And is that the exfoliated side? Let me see. Yeah. So this side with the tag is the exfoliated side, and then this is the makeup remover side here. So let's put this hair back. Let's go ahead and, so what I'm gonna do, I have my water right here in this red bowl. So I'm just going to dip this in here. So the wetter the better is what it says. Okay, so I'm gonna wring it out. Here it is. So first I'm gonna go ahead and pull off my lashes, and they are the magnetic ones. So I gotta put those to the side. So let's go ahead and see. You guys, did that seriously take that off that fast? Because normally when I remove that mascara, I still have like chunks of that magnetic eyeliner on there. Feels so good. Okay. So I am loving it so far, and I love how big it is. So now I'm gonna flip it and do the exfoliant. Okay, you guys, so before and then after, all the residue on there. But okay, so let me get a picture. So it really removed everything off of this side of my face really fast. I don't know what that is, maybe some lint or something. So this is before, and then this is after. I'm obsessed. I love it. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the other side. That was so amazing. And how quick it literally took off my makeup. Like, I'm officially a fan. These are so cute too. Like, I love the packaging, super cute. And I think this set I got for like 20 bucks or something. So it's like really reasonable, especially if you're not gonna be using makeup wipes. But for sure, you need to go check these out. I will have the link in the description box below. Yeah, it literally took off all mascara, all that magnetic eyeliner that I had on there, and literally in like one swipe. I'm a fan, you guys. I love it. So for sure, I'm definitely gonna be using this every night. If you have any questions, comment down below, let me know. I will link in the description box below where you can pick yours up at. And if you like videos like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. And also, if you have any requested videos, definitely comment down below, let me know. And that's it, you guys. Until next time, see you in the next video.